I'm going to show you how to delete bookmark in DuckDuckGo. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and find your app first. So it is right over here with the duck icon. Just go ahead and tap here. And now you need to find your bookmarks. So in order to do that, just go ahead and look at the lower bar where you can see your tabs. Just go ahead and tap here and you can find your bookmarks. So just open your bookmark website or bookmark tab. And once you're here, look at the lower bar again and find three dot button. So it's right here. And once you tap here, now you can see the option of edit bookmark. So if you tap on edit bookmark, then now you can edit your bookmark, and right at the bottom you can see the option of delete. So once you tap here, tap on delete again, and now you would see that the bookmark has been deleted. And now you can see that you have deleted all your bookmarks. So that's how you do it.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.